All right, y'all. This is just my Pillsbury sugar cookie dough that I'm pushing some Reese's Pieces into. Alrighty, I'm just gonna pop these in my oven for about 15 minutes. All right, we ended up baking our cookies for 20 minutes. Now, while they're still hot, I'm bringing in my shot glass here and my Pam cooking spray. And I'm gonna Pam the bottom of this up real good. And we are just going to make indentations right into the center of these cookies to create a little trough or a little cup in there so we can put some more yummy, yummy goodness. All right, I'm just gonna let these cool completely. In the meantime, I've just got my large measuring cup here. I'm gonna grab 2 cups of whole milk. Perfect. And I am adding a cheesecake Jell-O pudding to this. All right, let's get this mixed up until it's nice and creamy. All right, you can see our pudding is soft set here now. Now I'm coming in with some Skippy peanut butter, and I'm gonna add a generous amount of this. You know, just considering we've got those Reese's Pieces with our cookies, I thought this would be a great tie-in to that flavor. And I'm just kind of using what's left in the bottom of this jar, maybe about 1/4 of a cup. And to make this extra creamy, I'm just going to put in a couple of ounces of whipped cream cheese. Like I said, using what I kind of have left over here. This was about 4 ounces out of that 12-ounce container. And I am just gonna get this all folded together. Our peanut butter taste maximized with these creamy cheesecake flavors. Y'all, I think this is gonna be really, really delicious and perfect for the summer, perfect for any time of year, really. I think y'all are gonna like it. Alrighty, y'all, our cookies have cooled completely. And now we've got this gorgeous peanut butter pudding mixture. Ooh, and I'm just gonna use my little cookie scooper here and just put a dollop of that into each one of these. Oh my goodness, this peanut butter smells amazing. I'm such a peanut butter lover. I don't know if y'all can relate. I feel like there's a lot of peanut butter lovers out there. And if so, this is really the one for you. Of course, you could always do a peanut M&M with this. You could do a regular M&M. This is just such a fun, easy thing to do. But if you've got a peanut butter lover, this is perfect to make for their birthday or really any occasion, if you ask me. Perfect. All right, we're just coming in with our extra creamy whipped cream here for a little dollop right on top of them on each one. I got distracted here. I don't know if you guys heard those little footprints, those little pads coming towards us. Come here. Can you sit down? Can you sit down? Oh, yeah. This is our favorite. There you go. Oh my goodness. Delicious. Delicious. I've got a little bit of Hershey's chocolate syrup. We're just gonna do kind of a light little ribbon here across all of our cups. Also across our cookie sheet, but that's okay. Perfect. And a little bit of, we've just put some Reese's Pieces into the food processor, and we're just putting a little bit right on top of some of these crumbs and pieces. Perfect. Alrighty, guys. I actually have a friend here who's a really big peanut butter lover. Jennifer.
Oh my goodness.
This one's for you. Wow.
Oh my goodness. Delicious.
So good.
So good.
Y'all,
You have to try it.
you gotta try it.
Oh.